Okay, today we are playing Animal Hospital. We're gonna try to not let any anomalies in. And shift 1, well, no anomalies will be coming, so I can speed run. Hello, my name is Cookie Highish. Cookie Highish is kind of crazy. Imagine having the name Cookie. Yep, you're fine. I already need to check that. You're good to go. Nope. There you go. Anyways, I was looking at this. We have twins. Twins. Anyways. You look tired. Anyways. Just go back and let me get my coffee. Forgot about that. Coco Hopper, that's kind of a cool name. My dog's name is Coco. Anyways. Do that, do that, do that, do that. Give me that. You got room to... Yep, okay. Boom. In my bed, wrong room. Nice. Boom, DNA, do this. See if anything's wrong yet? No. I can go ahead and do the thing though. DNA, do that. So what does he need? Herbs. He needs herbs. Let me see. This guy needs eye drops, doesn't he? I don't know. I'll get him just in case, because I think he does, if it's the same thing. Huh? Did I not pick up herbs? What? Y'all rewind that. I swear I picked up herbs. What does this guy need? Yeah. Like, that guy's fine. I could have sworn I put herbs on the other guy. Anyways. Listen, that's not fair, bro. Not fair. Not fair, not fair, not fair. Not fair. One camera down. What camera's down? I'll be right with you. I'll make sure you're not an anomaly. What camera's down? Surely this one. Yeah. There we go. You have an appointment. Okie dokie. Photo. You can go. You can go. You can leave. Yep, no service for you. None. None whatsoever. Gosh dang. I don't know if you're an anomaly, but I hope not. Because you might get let in. So. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that. Anyways. Thank you. We're going to take your photo. Yeah, you seem good. Boom and boom. Room 1, alright. Alright, never mind, you're good. I thought their eyes were pitch black. They're good though. Well, I gotta check the camera first, but whatever. Just checking this patient, okay. Boom, boom. Yep. Everything seems good there. Grab that, take that. There you go. You'll be in room 2. Of course you will. Nice pigtail you got. Bro, who gooed? Who gooed all over the floor? Jeez. Okay, mister. You're a bit dirty. Is that why you're here, to get cleaned? Because I'll clean you. Anyways. Yep, you look good. I don't like that. Something y'all don't know about me is I get scared very easily. Like, very easily. Let me guess, there's gonna be a black monster. Nope. Okay, now I just gotta treat them all. Do that. Medkit. There you go. Do that. What do you need? Bandages. There you go. DNA sample. Alright. Ooga booga booga. Ooga booga. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Anyways. What do you need? Maple syrup. The thing wrong with you is he came to the hospital because he's Canadian. Yeah, maple syrup will fix that. Yeah, you don't want to be Canadian? Let's give you maple syrup. That'll work. I don't... Oh, the shop's opening. Okay. I hope that music isn't copyright. Surely not. Good? What do you mean good? I must have let in anomalies. I don't think I did, though. I only have $88. I don't have enough for anything, I don't think. Yeah. Anyways, back here. Can you give me a coffee? I had a long day. I got you, brother. I've got you. As long as you don't look insane. There you go, mister. Thanks, friend. I need that. I'll remember this. Thank you, man. Do you need to get checked in, or you just need some coffee? I probably should have drunk that, actually. I probably needed that. I'll be fine. It'll be fine. Who's next? Boo. You seem fine from looks. Anyways. Hello, mister. Da-da-da. I want to check in as a patient. Okie dokie. Skaboing. Skaboing. Inspect. Yep, you look good. I don't know why I was doing that, but... Anyways, there you go. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'll pass. Nope, I'm gonna close this again. Bye-bye. Nope, you can leave. You can leave, mister. Yep, Mister, you can leave. Are you gone? Oh, you are gone. How'd he go so fast? He didn't even say anything. Quit banging your head on the stupid window. Do I have a taser? Of course I don't. Hold on, miss. You want the 1-2? 1-2. Alright, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. Please do not take 20 of my sanity again. Of course it did. Anyways, let me close this back up. Leave. I'll give you the 1-2 again, mister. Yeah, that's what I thought. Sorry, miss. Anyways, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, no, that's not happening. Yep, nope, that's not happening. That's just not, yeah, no. Nope, nope, nope. Bye-bye. You can go. Be gone. Yep, no service for you. Please leave. Finally, a normal-looking person. Hopefully they are normal. Hello, miss. My name is Bear Song. What an interesting name. An appointment! An appointment! An appointment! I'll take your photo. Please do not be like the last thing. Okay, we're good. There we go. Roommate? Oh no, not roommate. Oh no, 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 no. I don't like roommate. This guy's always innocent, in case y'all didn't know that. This guy is always innocent. Yeah, Ron is always innocent. I do wonder that, actually. Anyways. Yep. There you go, Ron. Go. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm gonna do roommate for y'all, and then I'm in the video. And if y'all want to see a part 2 of me finishing the game, then like leave comments down below. I'll do it. Alright. Show me. Ivy drops. I'm locked in. I'm so locked. Oh, crap. Let's go. Alright. If you want to see a part 2, like, subscribe, leave it in the comments. And see you later. Or I should probably undo this. Anyways, and bye.